Everybody, very good afternoon and good morning to anybody and everybody who's watching me at this point of time on a Sunday. It's going to be 3 p.m. IST afternoon in India. I'm Justine Kapani and I'm the founder and CEO of a setup by the name of IM Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. As you can see, it's a beautiful bright day with the sun out and everything, and it's nice and pleasant. And I'm just kind of taking a stroll here, and as I do that, I'm pretty regular with this one place, which is a bus shelter, because we've got a feeding joint here, and I sit here. And sometimes I wonder during the different courses of the day and the weather and the seasonal change and stuff, that why are our bus shelters or places of waiting for people and stuff for public transportation or for the common man not planned, or are we really looking at a roadmap to have probably something to do with environment friendly, climate nature friendly and stuff, and if not that, then probably air conditioned, like in a lot of countries and stuff. So if you've traveled or you follow technology and you follow construction and design or even trends all across the world, you'll see that in certain parts of the world most of the infrastructure is air conditioned. So too much of AC is a bad idea, but when it comes to infrastructure and design and stuff, and looking at climate and looking at the change before us, a lot of debates and talks are happening around climate control and with the change in the present people in power and stuff. There is a change in Delhi, especially India. The air feels fresher, the roads seem cleaner, and the sun seems brighter. And it's not that I'm feeling so, but I can definitely see the change in stuff. And things seem to be getting better and all that. We have a lot of concerns around waste management and cleanliness and stuff. I mean, there's one spot here before me, so even if it is a RWA or a community issue, it still becomes concern for the country and stuff, because passing the buck here and there, or passing the responsibility here and there, telling us or telling people that it's not someone's responsibility or the other department's responsibility, doesn't make things happen and stuff. So I sit here and I see a lot of people doing